guys and welcome to the channel techtap. So in this video I'm going to show you how to speed up your Windows 11 performance. So for that we're going to use an app called Optimizer. I will leave the GitHub website link in the video's description. So, open up. Click yes to allow it to run as administrator. Here in Universal tab, you will see different options, like Performance Tweak, Network Throttling, Disable Windows Defender, Smart Screen and other options. You can adjust the settings to your liking, like disabling network throttling, and other options. And in Windows 11 tab here you will see different options, like restoring Classic File Explorer, disable automatic updates, exclude drivers from updates, and other options like that. So, I'm going to disable things I don't want, like I'm going to uninstall OneDrive, disabling My People option, disable Windows Ink, and other options like that. Here you can delete apps you don't want, like Bing News. Just select it, click on Uninstall, and click on Yes. And now it's uninstalled. Here in Startup tab, which apps automatically open up when your PC restarts, you can see their location, and you can also back up and restore later. And in Common Apps you can quickly download and install useful apps like 7-Zip, Mozilla Firefox, Notepad++, VLC Player, and other options. In Cleaner tab, you will see an option to clean temporary files of Windows and installed programs as well. In Pinger tab, you will see an option to test the latency off your network. In Registry, you will have an option to fix common registry issues, which occurs in Windows. In Hardware section, you will see full hardware report of your laptop or PC, whichever thing you're using. In Integrator tab, you can add customized right-click option on the desktop. And in the options, you will see an option to change your current theme, check for update and other troubleshooting options. So I hope you like this video, and if you like the video, then like it. Also share your video ideas and suggestions in comments. Share it with your friends and family. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.